Are you ready to unlock the power of data analysis? In this video, we explore how to effectively use the statistical package for the social sciences, one of the most trusted tools in research and analytics. From analyzing surveys to running advanced statistical tests, the software simplifies complex data workflows for students, researchers, and professionals alike. We'll begin by introducing the interface where the data view lets you enter raw data, the variable view helps define variables, and the output viewer presents the results. You'll learn how to input survey data, assign value labels, and perform descriptive statistics and crosstab analysis. Next, we'll dive into exploring relationships using correlation analysis, interpreting Pearson coefficients and significance levels. Then, discover how to run t-tests, analysis of variance, and regression models to compare group means and predict outcomes. With step-by-step guidance, we'll help you interpret f-values, p-values, and r-squared results with confidence. Whether you are comparing groups or identifying trends, this tool empowers you to make informed, data-driven decisions. Stay with us to learn how to turn raw data into actionable insights and elevate your research using the statistical package for the social sciences.